What is money illusion? Money illusion is an erroneous notion that a surprising number of people have, that a unit of money maintains its value over time. A $5 bill today is still a $5 bill in 1, 2, 5, or 10 years' time. However, that $5 bill does not maintain its value because of inflation. What costs $5 today will cost much more in 10 years' time. Money illusion exists when people consider the nominal value of money rather than its real value. The nominal value does not take into account inflation, while the real value does. In times of very low inflation, it is necessary to explain to workers why their pay rise is low. They need to compare their pay rise with the annual inflation rate. If their rise is higher than inflation, even if that's low, that's good for them. When inflation is high, it's easier to get workers to accept pay rises that are lower than the inflation rate. If the inflation rate is 6%, and the workforce is offered a pay rise of 5%, the real value of their earnings will go down. If the inflation rate is 0, and the workforce is offered a pay rise of 1%, the real value of their earnings will rise. However, many people are happier with a 5% rise when inflation is at 6%. This is because of money illusion. Irving Fisher, an American economist, statistician, inventor, and progressive social campaigner, coined the term money illusion. In 1928, he wrote a book titled The Money Illusion. Fisher wrote that investors and savers are sometimes affected by varying degrees of money illusion. Later, the British economist John Maynard Keynes, who founded Keynesian economics, made the term popular.